Today we're going to the car shop in Silang, Cavite to get our car's headlight sorted. We're still on the road going to Silang, Cavite, and it's a rainy morning, so please use your car lights properly. The low beam headlights on and or the fog lights, so other people can see you. Please don't use the hazard lights if you're not a hazard on the road. If there's no problem in your car, don't use the hazard, because other motorists will be confused. They don't know where you're going. So it's raining so hard, and we really have to be careful when driving because it's slippery when wet. So we just left auto shop in Silang. So they managed to fix the headlight at the driver's side of this car, and they used the diagnostic tool to fix it, to get it working again. Because well, it happens before that we tried to replace the bulb, the same part of the car, same side, but it didn't work. That's why we end up going to search the auto shop to check what's going on with the car, and with the help of their diagnostic tool, they managed to figure out that we just needed to reset something the car, it works.
Ini-invite ko lang yung mga subscriber na mag-subscribe kay Miss Karen. At saka pakibisitahin nyo na rin itong SIRHC Auto Repair Shop dito sa Silang. Salamat.
Siya po yung owner ng shop na ito.
Salamat.
Sige po.
Thank you.